Welcome to our latest video where we bring you the top 7 best drone on Aliexpress under $50. Whether you're a beginner looking to get into the world of aerial photography or an experienced pilot on a budget, we've got you covered with some incredible options that won't break the bank. So sit back, relax, and let's explore the world of affordable drones together. All the links are in the description below the video. Subscribe our channel and click on the bell. Let's go. Introducing the revolutionary M1S Drone. Feast your eyes on the M1S Drone, the ultimate aerial photography companion. With 3 high-definition cameras and an 8K electric adjustment, capturing stunning images and videos has never been easier. Equipped with intelligent obstacle avoidance and brushless motors, the M1S Drone soars through the skies effortlessly, avoiding obstacles with precision. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, the M1S Drone has got you covered. Experience hands-free flying with features like Follow Me and enjoy real-time video streaming with FPV capability. Get ready to unleash your creativity with gesture recognition, 360 degrees rolls, and trajectory indication. The M1S Drone lets you capture mind-blowing shots from every angle. Thanks to optical flow positioning, hovering, and brushless power, the M1S Drone delivers unparalleled stability and control. This drone has 4.3 rating and 600+ unit sales on Aliexpress, so that we recommend this drone to you. Take your aerial photography to new heights with the M1S Drone. Elevate your adventures, capture the extraordinary, and experience true freedom in the skies. M1S Drone, your gateway to limitless exploration. Get yours today. Introducing the XT9 Mini UAV Drone, the ultimate companion for your aerial adventures. Feast your eyes on the features of this cutting-edge drone that will elevate your flying experience to new heights. Prepare to be amazed by the XT9's 4K HD camera, capturing breathtaking aerial footage with crystal clarity. Its portable folding body makes it easy to carry anywhere, ensuring you never miss a moment. Experience the best of both worlds with dual camera switching, giving you endless aerial possibilities. With a 15 minutes battery life, enjoy extended flight time to explore and capture stunning views. Engage in thrilling 360 degrees flying around actions that will leave you in awe of the XT9's capabilities. Let the drone follow you intelligently with the innovative Follow Me feature, capturing your every move effortlessly. Say goodbye to worries of losing your drone with the automatic and precise return function, ensuring a safe landing every time. This drone has 4.4 rating on Aliexpress, so that we recommend this drone to you. The XT9 Mini UAV Drone isn't just a drone, it's your ticket to a world of endless possibilities. Join the revolution of aerial exploration with the XT9 Mini UAV Drone. Where will your adventures take you next? XT9 Mini UAV Drone, explore beyond limits. Introducing the Lenovo K10 Max Drone, a cutting-edge drone designed for professionals and enthusiasts alike. Equipped with 3 high-quality cameras, the Lenovo K10 Max Drone captures stunning visuals in 8K resolution, ensuring every detail is crystal clear and vibrant. With intelligent optical flow localization and 4-way obstacle avoidance technology, the Lenovo K10 Max Drone ensures smooth and safe flights, giving you the confidence to focus on your creative vision. Whether you're a professional filmmaker or a drone photography enthusiast, the Lenovo K10 Max Drone lets you unleash your creativity with its capabilities for recording in 4K, 8K, and even 6K resolution. Take control of your aerial adventures with the Lenovo K10 Max Drone's intuitive app control feature. Fly with precision, capture stunning FPV shots, and explore the world from a whole new perspective. Thanks to its advanced obstacle avoidance system, the Lenovo K10 Max Drone can navigate through challenging environments with ease, ensuring a seamless flying experience every time. This drone has 4.6 rating and 3,000+ unit sales on Aliexpress, so that we recommend this drone to you. Elevate your creativity, push the boundaries of aerial photography and videography with the Lenovo K10 Max Drone. Fly higher, capture clearer, and see the world like never before. Introducing the Lenovo P14 Drone, your gateway to exploring the world from above. Featuring cutting-edge technology and a host of amazing features, the Lenovo P14 Drone is designed to elevate your drone flying experience like never before. Navigate with confidence as the drone's intelligent obstacle avoidance technology ensures a smooth flight path, keeping your footage free from unexpected interruptions. Capture stunning HD aerial photography and switch between different camera angles seamlessly to get the perfect shot every time. Compact and portable, the foldable design of the Lenovo P14 Drone makes it easy to carry with you wherever you go. Activate follow flight mode and watch as the drone tracks your movements effortlessly. Experience stable and precise hovering thanks to the light flow technology and enjoy extended flight times with the large capacity battery. Unleash your creativity with the Lenovo P14 Drone's MV production and sharing features, and capture memorable moments with ease using gesture photography. Stay informed with the low current warning system and relax knowing that the drone will automatically return to you with just a click of a button. This drone has 3.9 rating on Aliexpress, so that we recommend this drone to you. Whether you're a professional photographer, a drone enthusiast, or someone looking to explore the world from a new perspective, the Lenovo P14 Drone is your ultimate companion for all your aerial adventures. Lenovo P14 Drone, elevate your photography experience. Lenovo, different is better. Introducing the latest innovation in drone technology, the Z908 ProMini Drone. With the Z908 ProMini Drone, you can capture breathtaking aerial footage like never before. Equipped with a high-definition ESC camera, this drone allows you to capture crystal-clear 4K footage with ease. Thanks to its advanced obstacle avoidance technology, the Z908 ProMini Drone can navigate through even the trickiest of environments without any hassle. With features like speed switch, 50x zoom, gesture recognition, and 360 degrees tumbling, the Z908 ProMini Drone takes your aerial photography and videography to new heights. Its dual positioning hover capability ensures stable flight, allowing you to capture steady and clear shots every time. And with dual cameras, smart follow, and Wi-Fi image transmission, you can easily share your aerial adventures with friends and family in real time. This drone has 4.4 rating and 1,000 plus units sales on Aliexpress, so that we recommend this drone to you. Experience the thrill of aerial photography and videography like never before with the Z908 ProMini Drone. Get yours today and take your creativity to new heights. Introducing the YK8 Drone, your ultimate companion for capturing breathtaking moments from the sky. Featuring an 8K professional 4K HD camera with a wide-angle lens, the YK8 Drone ensures that every detail is captured in stunning clarity and beauty. Navigate with ease thanks to the 360 degrees intelligent obstacle avoidance and optical flow technology, providing a seamless flying experience. Say goodbye to complicated controls with one-click takeoff and landing, making flying your drone a breeze. Fly like a pro in headless mode and enjoy steady flights with light flow hover positioning. Never lose your way with the convenient one-click return feature, ensuring your YK8 drone comes back to you safely every time. Get up close and personal with a 50x zoom, perfect for capturing even the most distant subjects with precision. Capture the perfect shot effortlessly with gesture photo and video capabilities, allowing you to control your drone with simple hand movements. Let the YK8 drone be your personal photographer with smart following features, keeping you in the frame no matter where you go. Create cinematic shots with ease using trajectory flight mode, allowing you to plan and execute custom flight paths effortlessly. Elevate your contents with beauty filters and MV production capabilities, turning your footage into visually stunning masterpieces. This drone has 5.0 rating on Aliexpress, so that we recommend this drone to you. With its foldable body design and speed switching options, the YK8 Drone is ready to accompany you on all your adventures, delivering real-time transmission of pictures for an immersive flying experience like never before. YK8 Drone, elevate your perspective. Introducing the V88 Mini Drone, your ultimate companion for capturing breathtaking moments from the skies. Packed with features that elevate your aerial photography experience, the V88 Mini Drone is a game changer in the world of drones. With an 8K HD camera and 4K obstacle avoidance, the V88 Mini Drone ensures crystal clear aerial shots while keeping you safe from obstacles. Its foldable design makes it easy to carry and transport, while the 9km range allows you to explore far and wide. The V88 Mini Drone comes equipped with HD dual cameras and intelligent hover technology for stable and precise flights. Control the drone with ease using your smartphone, with HD image transmission for real-time viewing of your aerial footage. Experience seamless flying with features like one-click takeoff/landing, speed switching, and 360 degrees rolls for adrenaline-pumping aerial stunts. Unleash your creativity with gesture photography, trajectory flying, and beauty filters for unique and stunning shots. Fly day or night with highlighted lights, ensuring your drone is visible even in low light conditions. This drone has 4.3 rating and 700 plus unit sales on Aliexpress, so that we recommend this drone to you. With the V88 Mini Drone, the sky is no longer the limit. Elevate your photography game and capture moments like never before. Guys, that is all I had for today. If you have not seen these videos, I suggest you watch them. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up.